No, we'll just ratchet strap it. Well, we could try. Ready? Oh yeah. My gosh! Jesus. I would say Dad had that in deep. And it's heavy. Yeah.
Holy Christ. Solid.
What? That's a solid piece of pipe?
Why?
Oh my gosh, that's a piece of bar stock. One going nowhere. Alright. I got our new tape measure here.
41 inches off the road surface.
40 inches?
To the bottom of the mailbox for point of mail entry. It's 40 to the edge of, or the opening of the mailbox.
Okay, so 40 inches. What's this there?
Okay, so we just need the opening of the mailbox
To be right there?
So we could probably go right into the same hole.
Yeah, that's gonna put it forward. That's perfect. Let me get some cock. Boy, before that little shithead gets here, we'll be done.
I know, eh?
No, pour it in there. We'll use the water off of the road here. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna splash the water.
Yeah.
Oh, why don't we pour the rest in this kitchen?
Huh?
We could put the rest of the concrete in. What's next garage?
This is all what's
You don't.
next. Oh, with the level?
You don't use levels.
Yeah.
Get out of
Oh, look at that. Shut off.
here. Oh.
Where are we? Okay, let me. Yeah.
That should work.
And then what about this way, this way? Money in the bank. That's gonna be
Go right or what? Yeah.
good. Oh, you think?
Oh yeah, that's what I did with mine. I put a piece of thickboard.
Oh, there's cedar in the back. All right,
Wow, this has gone way too fast.
you're right. Todd's not even here yet.
Oh yeah, yours says a little gap on it.
What does that mean?
How's it gonna fit in there?
You're gonna screw this down. Give him the really. Give him the really. He was busting my balls.
Oh, give me just get her either centered on there. The
You've done it. Oh, don't put it on the road. Someone will run it over because people around here drive their f***ing morons. I got this all put together so you don't have to buy Mom flower baskets for Mother's Day. And I'm the moron.
That's true. This is a
bunch of city workers.
Yeah,
no doubt.
Hey, you guys got Quikrete?
I did.
Oh, you do? I got about a half a bag if you need it.
Oh no, I got it. We're good.
We'll put it in the garage. It'll harden right next year.
Oh, it really looks nice.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mwah.
Woo! All right.
Boy, that didn't take long at all. Did you